It's just two elastic bands. Talk about pack small plays big. But with the Crazy Mans, it was all about how you unlink the bands and never about watching them link. Until now. For several years, I've been working on a slow motion melt through of two elastic bands to create the perfect illusion. You saw right, but this isn't just eye candy for the camera. Watch it working at a real event.
Right, if I was to take these off of my fingers, they'll fly right across.
Yeah.
Watch it. So, index finger and thumb.
You do it same.
And they pop apart.
No way.
And again.
Oh,